to make the first ever smoked cocktail named after the person who told me about it, my nephew Dave. And this is called the Super D. Vodka, I'm using a little bit of Canton ginger liqueur. It's got lime and lemon in it. And club soda. So first, got a little cherry in here. I'm going to take and use my little smoker. Hope the smoke alarm doesn't go off in here. You gotta get it all smoked. We got a very sensitive smoke alarm. That's the last thing I want to do. Okay, so anyway, I got this all shook up. Now I need to pour some club soda in there because it's room temperature. And that foams up, so then I'm going to take and stir it up with a spoon. Take these off of here. Take my little smoker off of there, and there it is. I'm going to pour it straight into the glass. It's already got ice, and it smells like cherry coming out of there. And here we go, testing it out. The Super D. That's nice. Okay.